Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Okay, so today we are going to talk about this topic regarding mitochondria ABA. Okay, reason being that today we are going to do the introduction for CellAge Plus and also a little bit intro about the new whitening product CellAge and also Grow as well. Okay, regarding this topic, right? Actually, many of you asked me this question. Okay, what is the CellAge Plus? What's the difference between CellAge Plus and NMN? Okay, all right. So today our speaker, Dr. Amy, will be go through all this detail with you. Okay, all right. So yeah. Okay, before the talk, right? Okay, before the sharing. Okay, allow me to do some introduction. Okay, about our company, some of our company background, and also our scientist background as well. Okay, all right. So yeah. Okay, my name is Serene. Okay, so I will be your host today. Okay, so Lavia International, we are a company that doing anti-aging solution. All right, so the origin of CellAge Plus because of our founder, our scientist, Dr. Ann Steele. Okay, she used to be the former Johns Hopkins University in former chief scientist in Johns Hopkins University. Okay, and also she's the first scientist in the world that using stem cell to do heart transplant. Okay, all right, so this is some of the background from Dr. Ann Steele. All right, and also about our company. Okay, so our company from US. All right, so in Malaysia is our operation hub. Okay, so we do R&D team. Okay, we do our research and development team. Okay, manufacturing facility. Okay, marketing channel, meaning that we do online and offline channel. Okay, and also university that conduct with all the education regarding stem cell and also natural medicine as well. Okay, our vision is become one of the leading anti-aging solution provider in global, and also we are doing the platform for online and offline. Okay, to intro and also to educate more people about what is stem cell. Okay, meaning that we all this right here is the reason that why you want to choose Lavia. Okay, why you want to choose CellAge to intro this product to your customer. Okay, reason being we have a very strong R&D team in US. Okay, our product is not OEM. Okay, we have our own manufacturing facility. All right, and also we do have our marketing channel. Okay, and also university to do all the education institution. Okay, for stem cell and also integrative medicine. Okay. All right, so yeah, okay, our company is also the first world first stem cell doing this product, world first stem cell food. Okay, our company is the first company that intro world first stem cell food with ABA by both of our scientists, Dr. Ann Steele and also Dr. Mark Smith from US. All right, okay, so yeah, next will be okay. So our speaker today, okay, she's Dr. Amy Cole. Okay, she's a vice president of product education from Lavia International. Okay, she holds a PhD in aesthetic medical science from US, bachelor degree in holistic nutrition, and also pegawai Pergesa Dalaman Sijil Kemahiran Malaysia. Okay, she's very expert in all stem cell and also integrative medicine. Okay, so after the sharing, if you have any question, okay, from your client or maybe from the product, okay, you are welcome to ask Dr. Amy for any question. Okay, all right, so without further ado, okay, let's welcome Dr. Amy. So can you guys give me a number 8, okay, to welcome our speaker of the day, Dr. Amy, on the chat room. All right, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all of you have taken your lunch. Okay, here we go today. Mainly, we are talking about what is mitochondria and how does mitochondria actually work for our body. Okay, here we go. Okay, CellAge. Okay, so what is the CellAge actually help on our body and especially mitochondria, because it actually related about our so-called NMN. Serene has told me that a lot of people wonder what is NMN and how does this CellAge help or relate with MNN. Okay, here we go. First of all, sorry, let me minimize. Okay, first of all, what is a cell? What is our body cells? I believe everybody knows what is cell, but then let us refresh together. So cell is defined as the smallest basic unit of life. And cells are the structural, functional, and biological units for all living beings. Okay, and cells also can replicate itself independently. So here we go. Also, we can call it as cell division, meaning one cell, it will be able to divide into two divide into four. This is we call cell division, and also this is also cell renewing system. The reason why the cell will divide into many cells is to create new cells, and the older cells will eventually die off. Okay, so what are the main functions of a cell? Okay, cell provides structure for the body, and cells absorb the nutrients from food and then convert those nutrients into energy and carry out a specialized function. Okay, so cells, we have many parts, and all the parts we call it as organelle, and all the organelles has got their own function. Here we go. So after talking of the cells, after talking about the cells, so where does the cell come from? Who creates cells? Who create human? All right, so talking about this topic, I start to touch about stem cell. Okay, a lot of people know, stem cell, a lot of people go for stem cell injection, but where does the stem cell come from? Okay, so now we have to talk about pregnancy. Okay, when an egg fertilized by one sperm, so embryo and a single cell will become embryo. All right, so the egg will become embryo. So what is actually embryo? Embryo is also known as stem cell. Yeah, so when people talk about stem cell, it's actually talking about the single cell embryo, but we are not going to kill the so-called embryo. So where we can get the embryo from? So I believe a lot of people knowing that, okay, we can get stem cell from this what they call umbilical cord, right? So from these photos, from the first week of the pregnancy, okay, single cell embryo form. And from the second week and third week of the pregnancy, we can see one single stem cell will start to have cell division, all right, to become a lot of stem cells. The purpose of the cell division is to produce or is to create your body, meaning your skin cell, your body cells such as your skin cell, your bone cell, even your blood cell, your brain cell. Okay, this process we call cell differentiation. Okay, come back to stem cell. Stem cell meaning stem cell able to create the human being. Stem cell able to create the whole body cells. Okay, after full terms of the pregnancy, newborn baby, we have newborn baby. So when the baby is still young, newborn baby, you will notice newborn baby always grow up very fast. Why? Because the full body still got a lot of stem cells up to 18 years old. And the baby eventually become an adult. And the aging process will start from the age of 20. Okay, this is how our body getting aged. All right, so back to these photos. The fourth photo, we can see the umbilical cord from this fourth week embryo. So while this embryo still young, still active, and even the form of the umbilical cord also contain a lot of stem cells. That is why when the baby is born, hospital or this so-called authorized authorized body, they will cut and take away and keep the umbilical cord. Why? Because they want to harvest the stem cell from the umbilical cord. So they can get mesenchymal stem cell, and then they can sell the stem cells. And also the reason why in market, a lot of people go for stem cell injection. Okay, why go for stem cell injection? See, okay, what are stem cells? Stem cells are the cells that can make themselves into to do more functions and unlimited potential to regenerate new cells. Yes, stem cell has the homing effect, and it will go to the particular repair, need the particular area to do repair, to regenerate, to even to differentiate more cells. Okay, so see, stem cells are the cells that can become cells and almost any tissue. And also it can differentiate into many different types of cells. When the stem cells travel to our bone, it will repair our bone cells and regenerate more bone cells. When stem cells travel to our muscles, travel to our blood, travel to even our brain, it can repair our cells and regenerate new cells. So see, the function of stem cells are repair, replace, okay, delay aging, to regenerate, to restore, and even to recover from degenerative diseases. So from our body, inside our body, we can get two types of stem cells. First one is hematopoietic stem cell. Hematopoietic stem cells, we can harvest hematopoietic stem cell from our bone marrow. So which is to replace, to repair, to regenerate our white blood cells, red blood cells, and platelets, and to coordinate our immune response to fight cancer cells. So another stem cell that can harvest from our body called mesenchymal stem cell. Mesenchymal stem cell normally target the solid parts of our body, such as our muscle, our bone, our cartilage, and even our blood vessel. So come to the cell. This is the anatomy of a cell. But today we focus on mitochondria. Why? Because you want to talk about NMN later. All right, mitochondria. So basically, mitochondria is the power, house of power. Okay, so what is mitochondria? Mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. All right, mitochondria are the tiny organelles inside the cells, which is to involve and releasing energy from food. Okay, this process is known as cellular respiration. And the energy is released in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Okay, through the process of cellular respiration, the energy in food is converted into energy that can be used by the body cells. And the energy is called ATP. So from here, I will touch about NMN. So what is actually NMN? Okay, the function of the NMN, the mechanism of the NMN perform inside our body cells, especially our mitochondria. So what is MNM first of all? MNM is a compound actually found in every single cells in our body, especially mitochondria, inside mitochondria. Okay, so our body cells needs nutrients to produce NMN, such as vitamin B, especially vitamin B3. Glucose, phosphate, which is type of mineral. Okay, and then and then will turn into NAD plus as a coenzyme, which is eventually will turn into energy called ATP. So mitochondria is the organelle to release the energy, meaning to release ATP. So next. So here we can see the function of mitochondria. Okay, so number one, mitochondria is to regulate cell metabolism, okay, which is to promote the growth of new cells and cell multiplication. Okay, number two is to form ATP, meaning the bioenergy. So when I'm talking, I'm breathing, even when I'm sleeping, also we need energy. Okay, when my body is running, when I'm still having my metabolism is, going through my circulation, everything, I still need energy to do my body function. Okay, so when we are getting old, as we can see from old people, when they talk also like less energy, this is because the mitochondria, the body cells is getting aged. So when the mitochondria cannot produce more enough energy, this is also cause aging. So number three, Mitochondria is to perform cellular respiration and also to control our calcium homeostasis. Okay, number 5, mitochondria is to determine the process of human aging. Okay, and to regulate stem cells differentiation and to maintain stem cells homeostasis. Okay. So there's a study from Emory University in USA proven that CellAge can increase ATP in mitochondrial metabolism up to 54%. And also proven that CellAge Plus able to protect our brain cells from toxin and even regenerate new cells in our brain. So here I am going through some ingredients which is to help on our mitochondria to produce energy. Okay, one of it is alpha polysaccharide polypeptide from paddy. Okay, short form we call it as APP. So here we go. So what can we get from APP? Other than polysaccharide, other than polypeptide, of course, we still can get some vitamins, mineral, even essential fatty acids and phytonutrients from APP. So all these ingredients, all these compound able to produce energy, produce enough enzyme to our body function. And this enzyme will eventually turn into energy to heal our body. Okay, other applications of APP, including to support our body enzyme. Okay, as what I mentioned just now, to support our body enzyme, to have better digestion system, to have better absorption, to have better bowel movements, and to reduce food allergies. Other than that, it will help to enhance our circulatory system, such as to reduce inflammation in our joint and muscle, and to reduce plaque in arteries, and to lower down or to balance our blood cholesterol and to balance our blood sugar, which is to decrease the risk of cardiovascular disease. Okay, and also APP will improve respiratory functions such as asthma, allergy, rhinitis, which is, we call it sinus, and also to reduce getting cold, flu, pneumonia. So main ingredients of CellAge. Talking about main ingredients of CellAge, we can see curcumin. Okay, turmeric, or other words, we can call it turmeric, which is already proven that can fight over cancer cell, can reduce depression, and also can reduce inflammation. All right. Other than that, we have organic young wheatgrass, organic Asian rice, which is APP, just now I have mentioned, and also black sesame, super berries. Talking about super berries itself, it extracts from 6 types of different berries, which is high in antioxidant and quercetin. And then come to sun fiber prebiotic. Prebiotic is the precursor of probiotic. All right, xylitol and CGF, chlorella is CGF to promote our self-growth, and also protein from the pig, and also fucoidan. Fucoidan is the ingredients which is full of mineral, nutrients, and also contain high in ABA. So what is ABA? Okay, the secret behind CellAge is actually ABA. So ABA, full term, we call it as abscisic acid. It's actually a plant hormone, but it is also a substance from the ingredients, plant ingredients. So the function of ABA is able to awaken the stem cell in our body. Since everybody knows, nowadays, everybody knows stem cell is so important. And now we know our body actually contains stem cell. Just that after 20 years old, the body, the stem cells inside our body getting lesser, and the quality of the stem cell decrease. And most of them is actually hibernating, not moving, not active already. So ABA, the function of ABA is to awaken our own body stem cells. So look at the photo on your left. You can see all the stem cells is actually hibernating inside our body. And with the CellAge, with the ABA, come to the photo in the middle, you can see some green color in between the stem cells. All this ABAs is in green color. So from the photo, we know that ABA start to involve and start to, active the stem cells, and eventually come to the photo on our right. We can see the stem cell start to produce, start to replicate, okay, meaning stem cell start to replace our body cells, start to repair our body cells, and our own body stem cell can start to regenerate our own body cells. So this is another group, another photos from Dr. Anstill. So Dr. Anstill extracts some stem cell from a heart, and under the microscope, we can see the stem cell is actually hibernating. Okay, then Dr. Anstill start to feed the stem cell with CellAge Plus. Looking at the photo on our right, you can see the stem cells is actually proliferating, meaning to produce more stem cell for our body. So this is how ABA works. So a proven clinical study shows ABA not only awaken our body stem cells, but it also increased the stem cell growth up to 4 times in just 5 hours. And it can actually continue to grow for 30 days or even 60 days. So the function to awaken hibernating stem cells and to regenerate the stem cells in our body. So it is not drugs, it is not chemical. CellAge is only consumable, natural plant-based product. And it is not invasive, okay, and also it is actually affordable. So research and the development team, Dr. Anstill, as what Serene has introduced Dr. Anstill, now come to Dr. Mark, okay, also a team member for this CellAge Plus. All right, so Dr. Mark is the founder, dean, and chairman of the University of Natural Medicine in the USA. So Dr. Mark doesn't encourage us to have unhealthy lifestyle. Okay, in fact, Dr. Mark encouraged us to have healthy food, natural food, okay, to keep our body healthy. Okay, the anti-aging effect of CellAge, number 1. The active ingredients of CellAge Plus actually provide nutrients to our body cells. And also the ABA, the special point of CellAge Plus is the ABA substance. ABA able to awaken the hematopoietic stem cells to repair, to replace, regenerate our white blood cells, red blood cells, even platelets, and coordinate our immune response to fight over cancer cells and disease. All right, and virus. Okay, number 3, ABA awakens our mesenchymal stem cell also to replace, to repair, and to regenerate new cells. Okay, for our solid body parts such as our muscle, our bone, our cartilage, and even our so-called our blood vessel. So come to the conclusion, we have more healthier and energetic cells. Compare with other product, CellAge Plus. Talking about the ingredients, we are 100% natural. Talking about the usage, is only you to eat the functional food, the CellAge Plus. And then talking about our safety-wise, it is 100% safe. And talking about the effectiveness, we have a lot of testimonials to show that it is 100% effective. And talking about the side effects, so far we don't have any feedbacks on the side effects. And the price is so common and everybody able to, it is affordable, I would say. Okay, talking about the benefits, it is to anti-age and to balance our immune system to have healthier body. So come back to NM, and after I talk so much about mitochondria, after talking, about NMN, So how to relate CellAge and NMN? So NMN is the enzyme, is the coenzyme for our mitochondria to produce energy, right? So, but before we come to NMN, we need a better or active or we so-called healthy cells to absorb nutrients, right? So CellAge is to do the healthy cells, to repair you, to awaken your body, to awaken your body cells, to awaken your body stem cells, and then to repair your body cells, to regenerate more new active healthy cells, then your cells, your body cells, able to absorb better nutrients and eventually become a compound of NMN. So NMN able to run the function to produce energy. Is it clear? Okay, come to the testimonial. Okay, James Fu at the age of 70 plus. So after CellAge Plus, he said he is now able to walk and talk and able to eat and sleep better. Okay, Alex Fu, after consuming CellAge Plus, his brain fog is relieved and happier now. Okay, Jonathan Yi, at the age of 65, he said that his stamina already improved and uric acid reduced. Hazel Hall, at the age of 50, she found that her immune system actually get better, which is balance, and also better sleeping patterns. Faye Go, at the age of 44. Okay, her feedback is CellAge improves her cold physique, okay, and also smoother skin. Jeannie Tan, okay, her hair loss improved. Okay, Jeannie Chong is a nutritionist, also at the age of 38. She said that CellAge Plus actually make her uterine fibroid disappear. Okay, totally disappeared. All right, and come to Rachel Lim at the age of 58. Okay, she said she is now having better sleeping pattern and also better stamina. Okay, and also Dr. Yan Young. Dr. Yan Young is a fashion designer. She said she has now have better stamina and also some chronic diseases, some body pain, muscle pain, body ache also recovered after CellAge Plus. Okay, come to Trisha Gan. Trisha Gan saying CellAge Plus actually helped her a lot in her menses problem. Carol. Okay, Carol saying CellAge Plus helped her on her gastric problem and also digestion problem. Okay, she is now having better digestion system. Okay, Alicia Lee saying CellAge Plus helped her on her sinus problem. So come to phenomenal program. Phenomenal program. Okay, talking about phenomenal program. Do you want to share with them, Serene? Okay, then I continue first. Okay, I'm going to talk more about CellAge Plus. Okay, so the important point for CellAge Plus. First, stem cell grow up to 4 times within 5 hours. Okay, because of ABA. And ABA is the world's first stem cell food that contain ascorbic acid. CellAge is the world's first stem cell food which is contain ABA. Meaning that CellAge Plus has contained all the nutrients which our stem cell needs and also our body cells also needs. All right, and CellAge Plus use only all natural plant-based ingredients. And every single ingredients has got their own research journal. All right, if you need it, you can always ask from our company and or maybe you can ask from Serene. And CellAge Plus is proven safe with up to close to 400 SGS tests. And we have the certification of JAKIM, halal. All right, so phenomenal program. If talk about phenomenal program, you can refer to our Serene. Serene will share with you about phenomenal program. So here, the end of CellAge Plus. Does anyone has any question? Or do you have so if you don't have any problem, any question at the moment, let me share with you another great news, which is we have actually another whitening product. We call it as CellAge, okay, and also Lumin Glow. So here is the testimonial of our products, CellAge. Okay, CellAge product is also edible, natural food product. All right, so here you can see some testimonial. You can compare before and after consuming CellAge. It helps on our pigmentation, to lighten our pigmentation and to have our skin texture improve. And also even skin disease such as eczema. All right, so these are all our testimonial. And another product is Lumin Glow, which is to apply on our face, our body, to apply on our skin. So what is Lumin Glow? Lumin Glow is actually medical grade whitening cream. And it has got three times more effective than hydroquinone. I believe all of you know hydroquinone. All right, it is actually controlled ingredients in the whole world. So CellAge Lumin Glow is so-called is actually formulated by Madame Latas from Paris. Okay, so this is our product, which is if you are interested, we can actually conduct another session to talk more about CellAge. How does CellAge help us on controlling our pigmentation or to lighten our pigmentation, and as well as Lumin Glow. So come to the conclusion first, CellAge. First thing, to inhibit the molecule melanin, and number two, to actually control our tyrosinase. Okay, so the tyrosinase doesn't activate our melanocyte. Okay, number three is to stop the formation of our pigmentation. Number four is to repair and to rejuvenate our damaged skin by ABA. Same thing. It has got ABA in CellAge. All right. And then to provide UV damage protection, anti-wrinkle, anti-aging. So to have a better skin, healthier skin, and we call it as younger skin. So these are some testimonial as well, which we can see the skin is getting more brightened and more radiance and fairer skin. So these are the our launching. Yeah, this is
Okay.
okay.
They have
So
some question asked.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. So how does CellAge help for eczema problem?
CellAge. Eczema. Talking about eczema is autoimmune system, because when our body overreact on the allergies, so our skin can have eczema. So it is actually our immune system. CellAge Plus help to balance our immune system, where we want to have balanced immune system rather than an overactive immune system. So CellAge Plus is to help to balance when our body immune system need to react on certain bacteria, so it will react, but not overreacting, not overactive. So eczema is because our immune system is overactive. Okay, so CellAge Plus is to balance the activities of our immune system.
And also how CellAge Plus help for menopause and PCOS?
Okay, talking about PCOS, then you have to seek for your doctor's advice. Maybe you need to check whether it's because of the structural problem or the hormonal problem. If talking about the hormonal problem, CellAge Plus can help to reduce or to balance our hormone system. such as if you have healthier ovary and then you have better estrogen or a balanced estrogen to run our body system, then it will improve your hormonal problem. But when you come to structural, maybe you need to do some procedure to actually to repair your structural problem, the PCOS. Uh-huh.
Okay. And also, how does it help for menopause issue?
Menopause, talking about menopause, okay. It will help on the symptoms. Menopause will cause some symptoms such as insomnia, such as constipation, and even lower down of metabolism and hot flashes, right? And even arthritis. All right, so CellAge Plus provide us enough nutrients. When we have enough nutrients, then we have better body function. And also it will release some symptoms such as the hot flashes. Okay, talking of, this is actually my testimonial. I encountered a lot of symptoms of this menopause. I used 4 months time. You know, I consumed CellAge Plus. After 4 months, all my symptoms actually gone. So I have better sleep. So I have better sleep because of my melatonin. So when we have sleeping problems, is actually affected by estrogen. So when I lack of my estrogen, so my hormone imbalance, so it caused my melatonin. But when CellAge Plus help me to balance up my so-called my hormone system, maybe I have enough melatonin to help me to have better sleep. And also hot flashes. Hot flashes, okay, how does it help on hot flashes? Again, it is actually body function. Don't forget, other than ovary, we have another one we call, what's that called? DHEA from our adrenal gland, yes. Okay, so if we have a better function of the adrenal gland, we have better DHEA, so it can actually help on our body hormone as well. Okay, so to improve our skin, yes, CellAge Plus provide enough nutrients to improve our skin. All right, so again, CellAge Plus help to reduce and or to relieve my menopause symptoms.
Okay, thank you. All right. So if you guys have any questions, so you are welcome to tap on the chat room, all right, or you can message us as well. Okay, so we have two all right, so I think we have two questions here. So number one, how does it help with fibroid? Jean, what is it? Gynae, is it? Gynae doctor mentioned fibroid is impossible to disappear while cyst is possible. Yeah, so maybe Dr. Amy can explain about this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, it is actually quite miracle. Yeah, according to medical doctor, it is impossible. But why just now our testimonial, Jeannie, able to have it most probably? We can't actually give you a very sure answer, but according to the logic, or according to the I would say, yeah, logic. All right. CellAge Plus strengthen or balance our immune system. And don't forget, in our immune system, we have white blood cells. White blood cells is our immune cells. When we have one very capable immune cells called natural killer cell, and this natural killer cells function is to fight, is to combat with abnormal cells growth. So I believe CellAge Plus produce enough natural killer cells for Jeannie, and these natural killer cells successfully kill the abnormal cells growth in the uterus, which is fibroid. Okay, so because actually Jeannie also visited her gynae, not only one gynae, I think 2 or 3 gynae, really the fibroid disappeared. So even the gynae also can't give her an exact answer. So it is actually miracle to us also.
Okay. All right. So, okay, next question.
CellAge Plus functioning by activate dormant
yeah.
stem cells in the body. Does it increase body stem cells production? Yes. Okay. CellAge Plus, first of all, CellAge Plus awaken our body stem cell. And eventually our body stem cell will proliferate, meaning to produce more stem cells for our own body. That's why our own body when our own body have enough stem cell, the stem cell able to travel to the whole body cells to repair, to regenerate, to anti-age our body cells. Can help to reduce prolactin hormone. Okay, talking about the hormone system, we have thousands of different hormones, circulating in our body. So in order to have a balanced body hormonal system, we need to have healthy organs in our body. Actually, last sharing, we have actually one photo about our body, all the organs, which is to help to balance our body hormone system. Maybe we can share with you later, or sorry, maybe you can help with this one pharmacist. Okay, so yeah, when our body organs are in healthy condition, our body function will get balanced. Okay, so our hormone will also get balanced. Any more questions?
Okay. One video survey. Wait. Okay. Okay, yeah. Wait. Okay. Okay, can cancer patient consume CellAge Plus and how does it
Yes.
help?
Okay, cancer patient. Talking about cancer patient, we need to know, is the cancer patient undergo any medical treatments such as radiotherapy or chemotherapy? If she is or he is, then the CellAge Plus, the product, we have to, KIV, we have to keep until he complete the so-called medical treatment first. Why? First of all, we need to know CellAge Plus is antioxidant. And when we talk about radiotherapy or the chemotherapy, the theory, the mechanism, the theory of the chemotherapy is to oxidize the cancer cell. All right. So we don't disturb the process because exactly the CellAge Plus is to antioxidant. So we don't crash with the process of oxidation. So we will advise the patient, first of all, listen to doctor. Whatever treatment that he needs to do first, complete first. Then after maybe talking about chemotherapy, all right? After he complete the chemotherapy, maybe after 1 week or 2 weeks, okay, then only start to consume CellAge Plus. The reason why is after the chemotherapy, after the so-called the cancer cell being oxidized, all right, that is the time to repair the body cells. Because everybody knows chemotherapy will hurt our body cells as well. So after the cancer cell being oxidized, then we need to repair our body cells. By this time, CellAge Plus will play the role. Okay?
Okay, any more question? All right, okay. Yeah. Is the product halal certified? Yes, our product is halal certified by Jakim. Okay, and we do have Hong Kong halal as well. Okay, so okay, so if you don't have any questions, so any question that you can type on the chat room. Okay, so maybe let me intro a bit about the promotion package first. Okay, so for this, right, actually is our pre-launch promotion for Lumin Grow and also Lumin Age that Dr. Amy intro earlier. All right, so yeah, we do have like 1 set, 2 set, and also 6 set package, okay, and also for LumiAge. All right, so this LumiGrow promotion will be until end of this month. Okay, next month we are going to have a new promo as well, okay, which is for 1 set, 2 set, and also 4 sets. So 1 set basically is like for around 1 month, okay, and 2 sets for 2 months, and 4 set basically is for 4 months. Okay, all right, and also for CellAge. Okay, so for Dr. N recommendation, right, the phenomenal program, okay, for our human body, if we want to overhaul our body to make our body much more healthier. So for the first 3 months, you can consume 2 sachet in the morning and 2 sachet in the evening. Okay, so after that you can just consume, okay, for intensive program, 2 sachets in the morning and 2 sachets in the evening. If let's say for basic program, right, just 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the evening. Okay, so after 3 months, right, can just consume like maybe 1 to 2 sachet for normal body maintenance. All right, so which is we have 1 set, 2 set, and also 6 set. So that as you can see from the value pack, the more you buy, then will be more cheaper lah. Okay, and also for this, currently we are running the Mother's Day promotion. Okay, that you buy 3 set, okay, you are able to get 2 boxes for free, which is for 30 sachet. All right, and also the other one will be you buy X set, okay, means that X set can consume like maybe if let's say 6 months, 6 to 8 months, okay, then you get 2 set for free. So total will be 10 set. All right, okay. Okay, so we hope to get more feedback from you. Okay, so yeah, we hopefully all your valuable feedback will help us to improve better. Okay, so you are welcome to scan the QR code, okay, and submit. All right, we do have some question to ask from you because we want to get more feedback, and also we see that anything that we can help, all right, from our side, okay, maybe for the digital marketing side or maybe for the online promoting side. Okay, so yeah, okay, later on we are going to send out this presentation slide and together with the YouTube video for today's session, okay, and also include this QR code as well. All right, so we hope that your feedback, you can submit the feedback to us, okay, so at least we know, okay, what we can improve for the next session. Okay, all right, so yeah, any more question before we end our session today? Okay, or Dr. Amy, you have anything to conclude? Okay, yeah. Okay. All right, so yeah, is everyone understand? Okay, all the all the info. Okay, if yes, then you give me number 6. Is it okay? All right, so you give me number 6 if you think the session today is okay, is is knowledgeable, is knowledge, the knowledge is help you. All right, so yeah, but if you have any question later on, right, you are welcome to type in the chat room. Okay, maybe you can ask from our marketing side. Okay, all right. Okay. We saw one question. Okay, children pregnancy dialysis can take.
Children with?
Children are just normal children. Yeah, it's children pregnancy and dialysis patient can take. Yeah.
Okay, children, yes, children so long up to children after 2 years old. Can start from 1 sachet a day. Okay, pregnancy, yes, pregnant lady, pregnant mummy also needs nutrients. Okay, better nutrients, better health. And the third one, dialysis.
yeah.
Okay, dialysis patient depends on the condition. If the dialysis patient okay, we don't encourage to take a lot. Why? When you take a lot of all this functional food, we need to drink a lot of water, right? So dialysis patient, the problem of the dialysis patient, we cannot drink too much of the water. So we have to depend on the doctor's advice, see how much water can she or he drinks a day. Then maybe we can start from 1 sachet a day. This is very demanding. We need to collaborate or work together with the doctor of this dialysis patient. Okay, clear?
Okay, all right. Yeah, so can you guys please scan the QR code now and submit the feedback form to us? Okay, it will be just less than 1 minute to done this. Okay, so at least we know that. All right. So any support you need, and also what is the feedback, and also how about the session today? All right. So we want to collect more feedback from you. Okay. Any question? Any more question? Yeah. Pregnant children. Actually, how does it help for children? If let's say children, they consume like every day one sachet.
Balance the immune system.
Mm.
Yeah, and a lot of children nowadays have eczema problem.
Mm.
So immune system is very important.
Okay. Okay.
Eczema or allergies or sinus, all of this is because of our immune system. Yeah.
And also the APP can help for the brain.
Brain cell development. Yeah, brain cell development. APP. The polysaccharide polypeptide. Yeah, for this brain development is very good.
Okay, so is everyone submit the feedback? All right, so we hope to hear from you. Okay, all right. So yeah, any more question? Submit. Want to submit the feedback form? Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, because we need to collect more. Oh, 那个 thyroid 啊。
这个哪
Yeah.
我读多一点先。
Okay.
我读多一点 info 先 get more information.
Okay. All right. Okay. So is everyone done? Okay, for the feedback form. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So if you guys don't have any questions, so our session will be end today. Okay. So yeah, if anything that you can welcome to ask us in the group chat, or you can text me as well. Okay. All right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Have a good day. See you. Bye bye. Thank you.